In this video, I will show you how I create and refine images with ChatGPT to bring my creative visions to life. Let's get started. I'm starting right here on the ChatGPT homepage, and first I'm going to my notes to copy a detailed prompt I've written for a futuristic city skyline. I'm looking for a specific atmosphere, a sunset scene complete with flying cars and neon lights reflecting off a winding river. So I'll paste that description into the chat bar and hit enter. While ChatGPT works on processing the request, you'll see the Creating Image status appear on the screen. This is where the AI interprets the specific keywords and stylistic parameters I provided to build out the detailed environment. Once the first image appears, I can see it's already looking fantastic and captures the overall atmosphere perfectly. However, I want to refine the details a bit more to match the specific look I'm aiming for. I'll head back to my text file and copy a second prompt intended to make the entire scene more photorealistic and add a full moon to the sky. I'll paste that refinement instruction into the message bar and send it off. We'll give the AI another moment to update the scene with those new lighting and atmospheric details. It's layering in the moon and adjusting the overall textures and contrast for a much more polished and realistic result. There is the updated version, and that extra detail really makes the city pop and enhances the reflection on the water. I'll click on the image to view it in full screen so I can inspect the final composition up close. Everything looks exactly how I wanted it. To finish up the process, I'll click the download icon to save the high-resolution file directly to my computer. Finally, I'll open the downloaded image on my device to see the completed work. It's amazing how easy it is to bring a complex artistic vision to life with just a few prompts. If you found this walkthrough helpful for your own creative process, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.